Yeah, but I don't want potatoes.
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What is going on, people? It's your boy Mrbucketlist here. Now before I get started, I want to give you all a breakdown of how the video is going to go. So first I am going to just show different videos of my food each and every day, starting from day one, going to the very end. And then after that, I'll give you all a brief compilation of all my drinks that I had. It's going to be more of the memorable drinks I had, because some of them were just regular cranberry vodkas, beers, and stuff like that. So some of the special drinks I got from the drink of the day, I'll show you all on that. And then right at the end of that, it's going to be the last portion, which is going to have like a walkthrough of the buffet and some of the different main dining rooms and stuff like that as well. So like I said, it should be really cool. The only thing I will tell you all about this video is, because I was just on Mare in the Seas about 3 weeks before this particular cruise, they almost had an identical menu. So for me not getting the same stuff, I tried stuff I usually wouldn't get just so it'd be something different for this video. Some of it wasn't the best, some of it was amazing. So you all can kind of check and see. And then lastly, my camera, for whatever reason, it literally just like broke on the first day of my cruise, and I had no idea until I got back home. So the videos are gonna look like a little fuzzy, a little blurry. That's the reason why. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy this video, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. Now, the last thing I do want to mention is, if you all made it to this part of the video, thank you. I did do a second video just like this where I compared my meals from Royal Caribbean to MSC, and so I actually enjoyed the meals a lot more on Royal Caribbean the first time around. That video has a lot higher quality because my phone wasn't broke. So if you all want to check that video out, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description and also a link or card on the video somewhere as well. But again, thank you for checking out the video. Enjoy the rest. See you soon. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.